This equation contains a pair of parentheses and also a pair of brackets. So the brackets are just treated as parentheses, and we use different ones because it's easier for us to pair them up. And in this case, if we have parentheses or brackets, we have to get rid of them. Think of them as boxes. So we usually, when we have one box inside another box, we will try to break out the first box, and then we break out the second box. So we're going to start from the innermost and the parentheses inside. And in order to get rid of the parentheses, we are going to distribute. So we're going to distribute 3 to k and 3 to 1. And between 3 and the box, the operation is multiplication. So we have to do 3 times k and plus 3 times 1. So this is what we have, 3k plus 3. So be careful, 3 times 1 is 3, positive 3. And now we can go ahead, combine k and 3k to get 4k, because k means 1k. If you want to distribute here, you can distribute -5, you can, but you can also, so two options here. So what I did is I combined 1k and 3k to get 4k. Now let's get rid of the brackets, and we distribute, and the number -5, be careful, it's not distributing 5. If you distribute 5, you still have to distribute the minus sign later. So we go ahead and just distribute -5 to 4k, that's -20k, and -5 to positive 3, that's -15. Now we got rid of all the boxes, the parentheses and the brackets. We can combine like terms. The number 6 and number -15, they are like terms. 6 minus 15 is -9. And the variable -20k, we just bring it down. Now, in order to get k by itself, we have to get rid of -9. So the reverse operation, to reverse minus, we do plus. And now we have these two, -9 and 9 canceled. So we just have to bring down both sides. By the way, the right hand side we should combine, and 9 minus 4 is 5. And finally, we get rid of -20. Between the number and the k, it's multiplication. We reverse multiplication and do division. So we divide both sides by -20. So whatever number you want to get rid of, you're going to divide that number, including the minus sign. So negative divided by negative is positive. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So we got 1k, which is k. And on the right-hand side, we also get a fraction. And so we just have to reduce the fraction because both top and bottom have 5 in common. So we divide both of them by 5. So we got 1 and -4. By the way, the -4, the minus sign can be moved in front of the fraction because a positive divided by negative, it gives us as the negative.